Hey y'all, so I'm gonna show you a quick, well it's not even quick, this is a long video. I hope y'all stay to the end so you can see baby girl, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do my makeup on a regular basis. Usually it stays the same, but I started off with toner. Here I'm applying vitamin C, which is good for dry skin. What else? I forget, but then this is hyaluronic acid, also good for dry skin, dark spots, tightening of the skin, wrinkles. Whenever I was living in Virginia, I had a really bad breakout and I was so sad. I went to a dermatologist and they told me to use CeraVe. So I've been really loyal to CeraVe moisturizer, and it's really good for dry skin also, I heard. And then next I'm gonna apply some aloe vera gel, which also is good for dry skin. I'm like, girl, if you're dusty, just say that. But no, it's also good for for dark circles. So I've been using this for about 6 months under my eyes and all over my face. Looking at this video, I can kind of tell that my under eyes gotten lighter, but they're definitely still there. I need something else. So I did my brows off camera because I didn't like the way that they were turning out and it was stressing me out, but I still don't like the way that they turned out, but whatever on that. So I'm applying some pink toned concealer on my dark spots under my eyes. I'll link all the products below, but I am going to show the product, but this tends to help when I apply my concealer and my makeup to really hide those spots. I don't really blend it, I just kind of layer it onto my skin. So you see me doing that here. This had to been around a time where I had my period or something because the amount of spots I have is so embarrassing, but we all go through it. Then I don't know my shade anymore. I haven't shopped for a foundation in so long, so I have a few, so I was just color swatching, trying to figure out which. Clearly it's not that one, but seeing which one is the best match. So next, definitely want to start off with the primer, but I forgot to do so. I'm telling y'all, I don't do my makeup like that. I do a little bit of concealer here and fix my brows up and call it a day. But I was using the Fenty primer. I've had that for so long. Just apply that everywhere. It's done me good so far as all the primers I've tried, so highly recommend. Y'all know I don't know what I'm talking about, so don't really follow my steps, just see how I do my makeup. But I clearly used a really bright concealer, and sometimes I do this. I don't know why I did this now. I don't know, maybe the pressure of the camera in my face, but honestly, sometimes I feel like my dark circles are darker some days than others, so I'll literally layer concealers under my eyes to make sure it's gone entirely. At this point, I just need to go get some fillers or something. So you know a good one in San Antonio, go ahead, drop that down below. This concealer is really good. It's creaseless, like it says. It definitely is that. It's super smooth. The only thing I don't like about it, it's kind of oily. But the product itself is really good for what its purpose is. Okay, quick side note. I am doing a giveaway and I'm partnered with Waxed Culture on Instagram. So make sure you go on my Instagram, which is Freshly Lashed Beauty, enter the giveaway. You don't have to share to your story, but it is appreciated. We would love to see that. But the most tags wins, so make sure you tag as many people as possible. There's 5 different services that we're giving away. You get them all if you win. I would love to see one of my girls win, so make sure you go do that before the giveaway ends. I believe it ends on the 10th, so Sunday the 10th, so you got a few more days. But yeah, back to my video. Alright, please don't even ask me what I'm doing here. I rarely do eyeshadow and I'm pretty sure I'm just putting bronzer on my eyes. But sometimes I feel like if there's nothing there, because I don't have lashes on 90% of the time, my face looks really flat and I don't know how to describe it. It's just I don't have eyelids because I have Asian eyes. but you could see the difference clearly. Don't come for me. I decided to go with, what is this? The damn label is gone, but I think it's Giorgio Armani Beauty. It's old. I'm pretty sure makeup expires and that should be thrown the hell out, but I still use it. And I'm just gonna apply that with a brush first, and then I go back and I dab it with my beauty blender just to have like a smoother finish to it. I really do hope that y'all are still here with me. If you are, make sure to like this video, comment down below if you have more ideas of what you want to see from me on YouTube. I want to be more active and post more frequently, so help me out. Show me some love. This next product is the Island Ting bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I freaking love this bronzer. I've been using it for some years now. I haven't found anything better, but I've also haven't been looking for anything better. But isn't it so cool watching your face transform? Next, we got some blush. I remember back in the day we wouldn't apply the blush up like this, but I do love the way it makes my face look super snatched. I am going in with this concealer. Again, it'll all be linked below, but this stuff is so like, a little goes a long way. So please, if you do go out and get this, just know you just need a dab like that right there. I feel like I did too much. It's just too much already going on. I had to blend a lot for this. Look, too much. I just said I did too much. Oh my God. So at this point, I'm just about to be blending for a minute. The good thing about the product is that it blends well, so you can see me put in the excess by on my forehead, on my chin, like wherever I could put it. I was definitely trying to spread that because it was way too much under my eyes. I was looking a little ghostly. I like to go back around with my bronzer brush just to make sure I don't have like super defined lines with my concealer. Oh my God, this stuff I swear by. It's the one size powder, and you don't have to like let it bake. You literally put it on and just dab it in there, and it just like sets your concealer and everything really well. So if you get anything out of this video, get that. If you know, you know. This is the OG highlight of highlights. But I've been having this for so freaking long. I'm not even about to expose myself, but it's been so long because a little bit of this goes a long way. I don't wear mascara, so I don't even know what this is. I got it for a birthday gift from Sephora, so I use it because I don't wear lashes all the time. My baby lashes, please. Can't even see anything, but yeah. Nah, y'all, the fact that I'm really sitting here putting this mascara on these baby lashes thinking I'm doing something is embarrassing. I normally use clusters, but I hate them. But I don't know how to put on strips, so I use clusters. But when I tell you I have ripped my lashes out taking these clusters off, it's insane. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep stroking this mascara on these little baby hairs here. This is another Fenty Beauty product. I am in love with this eyeliner. If you like a liquid if you like a liquid eyeliner, then I highly recommend this one. It's super inky, it's super pointy. If you like the wing look, the cat eye look, it's a go-to for that. Riri did her thing on this one. Lip gloss is so cute. If you know me, you know I don't wear lipstick. I just stick to chapstick, lip gloss. But rest in peace, Miss Jackie O. This is from her lip gloss line. And that is the finished look. My baby girl just woke up just in time because 1, I'm tired of talking, and 2, I need to go tend to my baby. But if y'all like this video, please let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. I promise I'll be posting more videos more frequently. I have so many videos to edit. But let me show you my baby real quick. This is baby Kaori Lynn, my baby girl. She's 1. She's so stinking cute. I'm trying to get rid of the passy. I'm working towards that. So if you have any tips, moms, please let me know. I am open to any hacks, whatever you got, give it to me. As a mom, I need the help. Yeah, she definitely curved me on that kiss, but it's cool. By the way, I love the way it doesn't look too cakey. I hate wearing too much makeup, but that's it for today. I hope y'all liked my video. I love y'all so much for the support, and look at us, we're matching. All right, y'all, make sure to subscribe. There's another video coming soon, I promise. All right, bye.